Hi, miss.
Hi, Miss Safa.
Good morning, miss.
Okay, miss, good morning. Yeah, I will share screen now. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, Miss Safa.
So let's start with a quick revision about what we covered yesterday. So yesterday we started with a new grammar lesson, which is the countable and uncountable nouns. We said that the countable nouns are nouns that are able to be counted, and the uncountable nouns are nouns that you cannot count. We mean by you cannot count, it means you cannot find the correct number that or the correct amount of something. We explained this chart which shows the differences between countable and uncountable nouns and shows the modifiers and the quantifiers used to count, such as a, and, the, my, and so on, in countable and in uncountable nouns, how to use them. And then we explained the quantifiers a, and, some, and any in the negative, in the question, and in the affirmative form also. We solved an exercise which is related to these quantifiers. And now we are going to continue. Quantifiers are used at the beginning of noun phrases. Now let me show you first, what do I mean by quantifiers? When I say quantifiers, it means an expression or a word used to express an amount. So when I say an amount, it means, do I have a little bit of something or a big amount of something? Do I have enough of something or not enough of something? Do I have a few? Do I have a great number? Do I have a bit? And so on. So the word quantifiers comes from the words quantity. كمية يعني. Okay? Clear?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Okay. And when I say quantifiers, it means words or expressions used to express the amount or degree of something, يعني the quantity of something. And they are also used with persons, يعني these quantifiers are also used with persons, not only with things or animals or nouns, with sub-objects, also with persons. Let's see now, what are the quantifiers used with countable nouns And what are the quantifiers used with uncountable nouns? And what are the quantifiers that are used in countable and uncountable nouns? Let's see. Let's start with countable nouns. I start, for example, with a majority of, a number of. This is a quantifier. A number of students are reading stories in the library. This is a quantifier. Several. Several teachers are going on a trip with the school. This is a quantifier. Many. Many people are moving to the south. A large number of animals, or let's say a large number of dogs, are being taken to special places to take care of them. Okay, a few. We can say a few. We can use a few, for example, with persons, with animals also. A few, few and very few. Every one of these has a different meaning. A few means a little bit. Few also means a little bit. When I say very few, yani very little. And the last one is a very great number of. So I say, for example, a very great number of cars were destroyed during the war. Okay? So these are used with countable nouns. And Anna, when I say, for example, many students are sitting in the library right now, it means I can count the students. I can tell the number of students. And I can say, for example, 30 students. I can use this expression instead of many. So that's why many is used with countable. When I say a number of teachers, it means they are able to be counted, and I can count the number of teachers, okay, but I'm using different quantifier. Let's see the quantifiers used with uncountable nouns. With uncountable nouns, يعني with nouns that cannot be counted. So here, even the quantifier that you use, you cannot use something instead. يعني أنا when I say a number of teachers, for example, I can say 10 teachers, هيدي بالcountable nouns. But in the uncountable nouns, I cannot use this. So I say much, a bit, a great deal of, a large quantity. طب أنا when I say a large quantity, do I know the exact number or the exact amount of this quantity?
No.
No, when I say a large amount of, when I'm using a large amount of, it means I'm not sure about the amount, I'm not sure about the quantity. بس أنا لما أقول a large number of, look at the difference, a large amount, a large number. أنا when I say a large number of, it means I can count them, I can know the number. So when I say a large amount of, it means I'm not able to know the exact number of the amount. That's why I'm using this kind of quantifier. Now we move to a little, little and very little. كمان here it shows, here it shows كمان that I do not know the exact amount or the exact quantity. Now, there are some common quantifiers between countable and uncountable nouns. بس هلا when we start with the exercise, you will understand what do I mean. يعني you will find it easier now because we haven't applied yet. You will just get confused. So there are some quantifiers used with countable and uncountable nouns. What are these quantifiers? Let's see. We have enough. For example, there is, or there are enough crayons in class. It can be used with the countable and uncountable. All of the students are watching this live session. More, most, less, least, no, none. Let me use an example here. For example, if I said most of the students are watching the live sessions. None of the students is watching the live sessions. Some of the students are watching the live sessions. Okay, so not any of the students are watching the live sessions. So I can use it with countable and uncountable nouns. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, ma'am. Great, great. Okay, so till now we have talked about countable and uncountable nouns, and this is the most important idea that you have to understand. This is the idea that shows you, or this is the idea that allows you to understand the whole lesson, because the whole lesson is based on these two expressions, countable, uncountable. So we talked about the words that are used for countable nouns, words that are used for uncountable nouns, the differences between them, and so on. And now we are talking about quantifiers, which are used at the beginning of noun phrases, and they are used to express an amount or degree of something, and they are also used with persons. We talked about quantifiers that are used only with countable nouns, and about quantifiers only used with uncountable nouns. And we said that there is a common modifiers between countable and uncountable nouns. We can use them in both of them. Clear? Yes? Continue?
Yes, Miss.
Now, you have this exercise. You have to fill the gaps with how much and how many. Okay? First of all, who can tell me what is the difference between how much and how many? And I want you to tell me now, before solving the exercise, لأنه this exercise is added to explain the difference between them. But does anybody know what is the difference?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, who can tell me?
Miss, it's like how much or how many?
Okay, but what is the difference? Both of them are asking about a quantity, but what is the difference?
Mustafa, I know.
Yes, Karim.
How much is used for the uncountable and how many is used for the countable?
Excellent. How do you know?
If there is an S in the word, that means we should use how many. And if there isn't,
No need for us. نحن we already know what are the countable and what are the uncountable nouns, right? We already
Yes.
know. And when I say how much, it means I'm asking about an uncountable noun. And when I say how many, I'm asking about a countable noun. Okay, so let me show you. Let me just, I'm going to try how much is used for un. Oh my God. I don't know if it's clear. Oh my God. But just to keep in mind, uncountable and how many is used for uncountable. عشان هلا when you're doing the exercise I need you to just remember. Okay, this one is much better. Yeah. So how much is used for uncountable and how many is used for countable? So I want you to start doing the exercise based on what you have seen, and let's see. Yeah, start.
Miss, I'm done.
Okay, Kareem, let us give them a chance to finish first, okay?
Yes.
Yes, Miss Dawn.
Yes, Miss.
The others.
Yes.
يلا يا عباس. Number 1 is done for you. Number 2, please بس pay attention إنه number 2 is next to number 1, not under.
Okay. How much meat is there?
How much? Very good, because meat is an uncountable noun. Thank you, Abbas. Yes,
Miss, can
Karim.
I do number 3?
Yes, Karim, do it.
Butter is there. How many butter is there?
Butter is countable.
How much butter is there, I mean?
How much? Very good. How much butter is there? Very good.
Miss me.
يلا يا مايا.
Peaches are there. How much peaches are there?
How much peaches are there? Very good, because we can
Count them.
no, we can count them. They are able to be counted. Number 5. Who will do number 5? يلا يا هادي.
How many pizza?
Yeah, how many pizza is there? Or how much pizza is there?
How many?
Number 6. يلا يا ليا. Do number 6, miss. Yes, Leia.
Miss, can I do it?
Yes, do it, Sabine.
How much ham is there? Oh, how many?
يلا miss.
How many ham is there?
No, it's not how many. You cannot count the ham. Ham مثل الميت صارت.
How much?
How much exactly? Number 9. Bottles of milk are there. يلا علي
Can
بسمع.
I?
اوكي يلا يا سيرين.
Miss أنا نسرين.
Who's this? Wait. Let me guess. يلا يا تيا. يلا يا تيا.
How many bottles of milk are there?
How many? Very good, because it's countable. Very good, because they used bottles. And when I say bottles, cups, glasses, it means it's countable. Okay. Fish is there. يلا يا آدم. يلا يا آدم. Ahmad.
Miss,
Yeah.
number 10.
Yes.
How much?
So how much fish is there? Can we count fish or not?
Yes, miss, we can.
Yes, so how many ليش how much لكن؟ So how many fish are there? Number 11. Who will do number 11? يلا يا أحمد.
How many strawberries are there?
How much Ahmad strawberries؟ بعدين نحن مش قلنا يا ذكية انتو، نحن مش قلنا انه ال uncountable nouns دايما بياخدوا only a singular verb؟ ما قلنا هيك؟ قلنا ولا ما قلنا؟ بلشتوا صيام مس او بعد؟
Yes,
بس
miss.
أنا بكرة حصوم.
بلشتوا؟ يعني الله يبشركم بالخير على هيك بداية، يعني إذا اليوم صايمين. Strawberries are there. وينه أحمد سالها؟
بس في أعمل آخر واحدة.
بس let me tell you something. نحن قلنا هون طلعوا this slide we said the uncountable nouns بياخدوا singular and plural verbs. الcountable uncountable بياخدوا only singular. فأنتوا يا ذكية لما تعالوا تعذبوا لي حالكم تتحذروا. Look at the verb strawberries are. هيدا plural يعني أكيد هون countable يعني أكيد how many. بس يكون عندي singular بده يكون عندي how يعني بده يكون عندي uncountable.
بس آخر واحدة how many slices of bread are there?
How many slices of bread are there؟ لأنه شو؟ countable. ما قلنا slices مثل ما نقول bottles of milk. Okay? Okay? Did you understand? طيب let me erase these هلا. طيب هلا نحن we still have تقريبا 4 slides. I think we will continue them tomorrow, not today. Okay, so for today we are done. Thank you for attending and I'll see you tomorrow, Anna, okay?
باي مس، رمضان كريم.